I'm Troy Burgess, president and founder of Wasatch Woodlands Association. We're a waterfowl and wetland conservation group here in northern Utah. What we're doing today, middle of February 18th, we got a bunch of people out here at the Ogden Nature Center right now, and we're starting our first day of 2023 conservation.
This is a duck box. It's a little bit used. If you come over here, you can see some of the down from the birds. There were no eggs in there though, so I'm gonna leave the what's in there, and then we can put some more in, fill it up, make sure the ducks can lay some eggs for next season. And then we're gonna have to drill this in to make sure that nothing can get up from the top.
We got wood duck boxes, mallard hen houses, and goose boxes. We're doing some rearranging. We got some new ones going out and taking care of stuff. A lot of education going on with some people. It's their first experience today.
You all tied up. You'll have a nice and thick thing of hay all the way around. You'll shove it, more hay into the middle of the basket, about halfway. You'll give it back to the person with waiter. They should have a latch like this. If not, we'll be swapping them out. These are just a lot harder for the raccoons to figure out how to open. Latch up, pull that open. You just grab a couple handfuls. At that point, it's done. You'll be able to see we got the mesh on the inside. Just gives the chicks something a little extra to climb onto. They'll just climb all their way up and hop out through that hole.
We do this to the nest boxes is to, the geese boxes and the mallard hen houses, we do them with hay, so that blows out over the winter, so we have to replenish that so the birds have them. The woody boxes, we take all the gunk out, put in new wood chippings in for them and stuff. And the boxes themselves are there to protect the hens from predation. That's mainly the geese boxes and the mallard hen houses. The woody boxes, they offset the lack of nesting habitat. There's not a lot of mature large snag trees in the area because they're usually cut down because they're dangerous or unsightly. Urban development takes them out. So we put these boxes in and that replaces them.
Recovering Addict is out here at the Ogden Nature Center doing a service project today. And guess what we're doing?
Hi.
We are taking the old stuffing out of these bird boxes and replacing it with new stuff so that the ducks can come in the spring and have a safe place to lay their eggs.
Stupid! Can I tell you having fun?
Yeah. The Wasatch Widgeons. We have a partnership with the Wasatch Widgeons. Here's their website.
What are we doing out here today?
We're pretty much building bird nests.
Why?
Kind of. So, in the summer, they can lay their eggs. Wasatch Widgeons is awesome!
Matter of fact, when we started doing that here 8 years ago, it's the first time they'd seen woody wood duck ducklings in over a decade at this location. The staff has seen them here every year now, so it's become a common sight for people that can come and enjoy them here at the Ogden Nature Center. So you guys can see over here the remnants of the arson fire from last June. This is the inlet to Kingfisher where the channel opens up. This was all choked out with 12, 14 foot tall frag about 4 years ago. So this is the result of the mitigation efforts that we've done. It's all returned back to native grasses. So we're going to make an upper retention pond right here. So on the lower water years, we'll have a pond and it's not just absorbed into the ground. So, but then we can let the water go through when it's a high water year. That's going to be in the next effort that we're looking at doing here. Now that the frag's gone, finally.
How long did it take you to get rid of the frag?
This would be, it's 4 years it was gone. I got just a couple remnants over there. So it's way beyond the monitoring stage. We're down to probably less than 5% of the vegetation's frag in here.
And this is
but
all...
it was 100%.
Wow.
So why we're doing this is we found that coons can figure out how, even though we got the predator cone, sometimes they can get in here off the tree. We'll break this branch back. But they can get these dang locks done. When we put these latches here, it's got this little spring on it. The coon can't hold on, pull the spring back and undo the latch. It's just that one more mechanical move that the coon It doesn't have quite the dexterity to do it.
That one.
Here's another thing. When we started working here, this was a wall of frag up here, and we pushed it all into all those trees except for where the burn is. That's where that pile is right there. That's willow and frag, and we just roll it and we chased it into all the willow. So this whole field here and all this was all frag. It's a field now because of that. 4 years of work. If you want to learn more about Wasatch Widgeons Association, you can check out our website at wasatchwidgeons.org. You can follow us on Facebook or on Instagram, and we're on YouTube.